Nestled in the picturesque landscape of Monmouthshire, Wales, Raglan Castle stands as a majestic testament to medieval grandeur and architectural innovation. Its story unfolds like the pages of a captivating historical novel, transporting visitors back in time to an era of chivalry, political intrigue, and artistic brilliance. The tale of Raglan Castle begins in the 15th century when Sir William ap Thomas, a prominent Welsh knight, transformed a modest medieval manor into a formidable fortress. Rising from the rolling green hills, the castle's imposing walls command attention, hinting at its strategic importance during the Wars of the Roses.
And there's so much still intact. Look at that. Old fireplace. Oh my god, this is so cool. I don't know what's there, but let's go.
What is in here is nothing, and it's very out of focus. Brilliant.
Oh, you can see all the fireplaces there. That. God. God.
As you explore the courtyard, the atmosphere is imbued with a sense of both grandeur and practicality. The space not only served as a backdrop for elaborate ceremonies and courtly events, but also as a hub for daily life. The hustle and bustle of servants, the clatter of armour, and the sounds of artisans at work would have once animated this space, creating a dynamic environment that mirrored the multifaceted nature of medieval society. Entering the castle kitchen, you are immediately struck by the sheer scale of what this operation would have been. Their roaring fires providing the necessary heat for an array of culinary endeavours. The flickering flames cast dancing shadows on the worn stone walls, creating an ambience that speaks of centuries of gastronomic traditions. The castle kitchen is not just a place of sustenance, it's a testament to the castle's self-sufficiency and the culinary sophistication of the time. The preparation of the meals here were a meticulous craft, combining local ingredients with exotic imports to create a culinary experience benefiting the nobility. The hallways lead to hidden corners and secluded chambers, each with its own story to tell. Bedchambers once occupied by noble inhabitants, studies where intellectuals' pursuits flourished, and storage rooms brimming with the necessities of castle life, all find their place along the meandering pathways. Raglan Castle underwent significant renovations during the Tudor period, introducing architectural elements characteristics of this era. The Tudor-style windows, decorative brickwork, and other ornamental details contribute to the castle's unique charm. This chair is extremely uncomfortable, and I'm going to be honest, I don't know why I look so awkward.
not something you see every day. I suppose somewhere like this. Oh, it's me again. Hello. Anywhere like this, I suppose it's normal. This is what they would have done. There used to be stairs there, look. Up to the next floor. And you can see vaguely where the next floor was. I think. Nope. That's it. There. That's where they would have had the floor joists. Absolutely mind-blowing. Oh, what's down there? Can you get down there? Oh, you can go down there. I've no idea what's in there, but we're going to find out. One of the best things about this place, I'm walking through a wall, is because a lot of it is, I say a lot of it, more than normal, is intact from most ruins. The sense of scale is more realistic, so it's not like, oh yeah, let's leave it to the imagination. You're actually seeing and feeling what it was like to walk around and be in these rooms.
During the English Civil War in 1642, Raglan Castle became a royalist stronghold. It was one of the last castles to hold out for King Charles I. The castle withstood a series of sieges, but eventually surrendered to parliamentarian forces in 1646.
For anyone that might know the reference, you might not. I thought crossing the bridge, like something from Dark Souls. So Bloodborne, Elden Ring, and I thought, yeah, it's quite similar actually, crossing the bridge, and then I thought, it's a little too similar.
The Great Tower at Raglan Castle is an impressive structure and is considered one of the finest examples of late medieval military architecture. It was built by Sir William ap Thomas and later expanded by his son, Sir William Herbert. The Great Tower features polygonal towers, large windows and ornate carvings, showcasing a blend of military strength and Renaissance elegance. The castle's architecture reflects the transition from traditional medieval fortifications to more luxurious living quarters. Raglan Castle is known for its distinctive Great Tower, also referred to as the Yellow Tower of Gwent, due to the yellowish colour of its stone. It sits outside the rest of the castle, protected by a moat and linked to the fountain court by a bridge. The tower today has lost not only one of its walls, but also part of its upper structure, and would originally have been 3 stories high. It was designed to be self-contained fortification with its own water and food supplies, and luxurious quarters lit by large windows on the upper floors.
Now, just gone down some stairs. I'm absolutely lost. Castle grounds. Look at that. Huge. And that's probably what it would look like. Looked like. Struggling to England here. How incredible is that? It's a shame we can't preserve these the way they were, or just even rebuild them fully. Someone should get a load of money, someone who's rich should get a project together and just look for a castle and go, do you know what, let's just completely rebuild it, the whole thing. That water is nasty. Oosh. balls in there. As far as no one's come here and complained that they can fall in the water. Oh, how sick! That's so cool. Imagine owning somewhere and just having your own moat. It's absolutely wild. I love it. I'm guessing there'll be a little boat that you get on and go around the moat. If you wanted to, I'm guessing maintenance, maybe? And there's also that there. Now, I have no idea what that is. I'm guessing it was for tying a boat off, but then how would you get in the boat? Jump, maybe? Dunno. Swan dive? Moat wall. Wow. Nice. Elegant layout and classical decoration. Marvellous. Let's keep going, shall we? Keep walking the moat walk. Look at this. Imagine being here. I can't get over this. But imagine like living here and this is all of yours. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna conquer a nation, have a couple of wars, and then I'm gonna have a walk around my moat. I'm gonna come back to my castle with 659 windows.